Hello, friends. So, we are back again with another series called Local Pay Focal. And in this series, we'll be talking to a lot of local artisans, vendors, manufacturers, artists, and a lot more people who make stuff in India, and we are promoting Make in India for that. And today we are going to have a live session with Anchal Gupta. She is an artist by profession, and she owns a brand called Art Picture, and she is very passionate about what she makes. She is a big dog lover, and she has made a lot of dog pictures on canvas, and if you see them, they are all live. And she did a lot of graffiti work for stadiums, for a lot of public places. She takes a lot of spray painting art activities, and she do a lot of paintings. So meanwhile Anchal is coming live. Let us see whether she is there or not. Yeah, she is there. So let us add Anchal.
Hi. Hey.
Hi. Hi, Anchal. How are you?
Hi. I know we spoke 2 hours back. Just being polite by asking how are you. I know you're doing fine.
Yeah. How is your lockdown going?
Lockdown, I think, is just the same. It's same every day. So nothing new happening. Continuing with my painting work with office work. So what about you?
Same here. We are working from home. All our people are also working from home. Yes, I'm going for some of the site visits. Now I've started in lockdown 4, but hopefully the things are turning out good. But let's see what happens with the corona thing. But we are thinking of a positive side of it. So let's see what happens. And we can see a lot of paintings behind you. It is giving a very positive vibe. So Achal, yeah. So Achal, from Art Picture. So I was telling people about what you do. Anchal has recently participated in Comic Con Delhi as well, and she just loves painting. Although she is a graduate from D School of Economics. That's the part which is not shown everywhere, being an artist. But she loves doing paintings. So, Ajal, tell us, how was your journey so far regarding the paintings, and how you thought of becoming an artist?
Okay, so as I was a kid, I have always been participating in a lot of art competitions. So my mom used to take me to these colony art competitions. Then as I went to the school, all the 10, 12 years I participated in art competition. I was participating in a lot of other things also. So never thought that I'll be doing art as one of the options, but I like doing it, so I kept on participating. Then I went to college, and I was a part of fine arts group where it was a society of say 10 artists and 10 photographers. And once we started with exhibitions and everything, I always wanted to be like them, draw like them, because they were really good, and I learned a lot from them. And eventually there were a lot of exhibitions, installations that happened. And then I came across, then I had put up my painting on Facebook and everything, where everyone started complimenting my work. So I never thought of becoming an artist. And I was like, it was just that when people started complimenting me and started calling me artist, I also started calling myself an artist. I don't feel like one, but that is how my journey is, and I will continue to do that. As you know, that I've just started with this brand, the Art Picture, where I'll be selling my artworks. So hope to continue the same way.
So great journey, Achal. So Achal, how you decide like what is to be painted next, and where did you get the inspirations from?
So there is nothing in as such in particular. So when I feel that I have practiced one particular art form and made a lot of paintings, I decide to switch to another art form. So, for example, I've been taking these live workshops for which I've been doing a lot of sketch work, and so one after the another, I just kept making those sketchworks, and all those sketchworks are generally the places that I visited in my 2018 Europe trip. So, because I really enjoyed that trip, and I think it looks really nice to sketch those places, so that's how I decided upon sketching. Similarly, if there are like other forms of artwork, I just, these dog series I just started. I never thought that I'll make so many dogs. I started with one, and then I really liked painting those, so I continued doing that. And similarly with other forms of artwork, be it spray paint, be it modern art, be it anything.
So I've also attended Anchal's sketching workshop. So that sketching part was almost left out in the college, and we were just doodling when we are in the practical era. But when I took this workshop from Anchal in the during the lockdown, it was a wonderful experience. And guys, do take the workshops regularly, because they are very innovative and they are very useful. And after those workshops, you'll get in love with the paintings and all. So, Anchal, tell us, can you paint based on the situations, and what are the best paintings that you enjoy creating?
Yeah, so I like to create a lot of customized work. So what I paint and what I paint for the client is completely different. What I paint for the client is what he or she wants for their place, and what I paint for myself is whatever I enjoy doing. And yes, depending on the situation, depending on the interiors, depending on what the other person wants, I am able to create most of the things. And if there is some new form of artwork which is very new to me, but the client wants the artwork to be in that particular medium, so I practice it before I'm able to create a new artwork. And the reason being that I like to create customized artworks is because there is a lot of variety. No two people ask for the same type of artwork. So that also helps me to grow in my artistic skills. And obviously, I enjoy doing it. So I like to take up challenge for the new thing that I'm created. So yeah, based on anything, the situation, I can create artworks.
So you love doing a lot of abstract arts. Even we can see in your background. Why not Indian art?
So it's not that I'm not doing any Indian art. I have created few paintings in my past for the clients as well. But there is like a lot of places that I've recently visited which I like to create, and
Oh,
Indian is not a part of it. But
okay.
yeah, so I mostly enjoy creating a lot of modern art, being that I can use a lot of mixed colors in that, and Indian is mostly a figurative drawings, which I enjoy a bit less. Yeah,
Okay, but you can do it.
yeah, I can do it.
Yeah. So, as we are approaching towards the minimal era, post-COVID, hopefully the things are going to be fine soon. So, as we are approaching towards the minimal era, the new normal, the new trend, the new luxury would be the minimal approach of designing. So, what do you think the new kind of paintings that will go with these kind of minimal trends?
With minimal, I think it depends on the place that person is living in. So if it is a small place, there can be, for example, there is a big wall, and there can be a very small painting with the color tone that is matching with the interiors of the house. So that is, I think, the minimalistic approach. Post COVID, I don't think that artwork is going to make that much difference as compared to the interiors. Interiors might change, and according to that, the artwork would change. But that is only represented in the color tones, not in the sizes or anything of the painting. It totally depends what the interiors are of that particular place.
So, tell us about the mediums that are available to paint, like what all mediums are there, and what's the medium that you enjoy the most?
Also, there are like a lot of mediums that are there. You put on Google and the whole list will come, but I'll highlight few mediums that are there. So there are acrylics, there are watercolors, there are spray paints, there are oil painting, and these days people are not just going with these regular mediums. They are using a lot of craft work also as their medium, mixed media to create artworks. So, but For me, my favorite is definitely acrylics, and the reason being they dry very fast. And oil painting takes a lot of time to dry. Obviously, oil painting has a different finish to the paintings, but I like acrylics because when I start painting, I have this urge that I have to finish this painting in, like, whenever I sit, I will get up only when I finish the painting. Usually, if it's possible. So acrylics work for me because they dry very fast. And the other medium I enjoy is spray paints. I've created a lot of canvases with spray paints, but I do not take that as an art medium. It is mostly a fun medium, I would say, just to have fun. I use spray paint arts. Mostly, I stick to acrylics. And for the workshop these days, I've been using a lot of markers with markers and pens because people don't have paints and brushes.
Yeah.
So marker is the best medium I can go with, and it's very fun to teach also.
Yeah,
So
people, I must say, they are not even having markers at their places.
yeah, so for them, I usually tell them to use a pencil or something so that they're at least able to
Yeah,
attend.
yeah. Do you think framing is an important part of painting, or it's only the painting?
No, so definitely, I'm sure you are also aware, but framing plays the most important role in the painting, and depending on what frame you choose, it gives a definition to your painting for sure. And so, deciding upon the frame, if there is a living room, the separate frame would go there, a different frame would go there. If there is a bedroom, a separate frame would be used. The framing has to be the most appropriate frames, and it has different, there are different types of framing which are available. And you also have to think upon whether you want the frame to be